Good morning everyone. Today is 29th of July 2015. I want to show you the nature today, which is very close to my house. Can you see the wetlands? And this lake is called the Mount Dandenong Lake. Looking beautiful. This bird is called magpies. This is quite dangerous birds. They are singing. And this place is called Mordialloc Lagoon. So you can see the different types of birds like spoonbill, lot of birds. So cute dog. These are all natures which is near to my house. So can you see the tall grasses? And again we can see another lake, and the parrot is sitting in the tree. Today is very beautiful weather. It's sunny day here. So these are all the natural wetlands where we live. This bird is very famous here. This is called spoonbill. That is our house. So opposite to the house we are having a big lake. This place is called Black Swan Lagoon. So lots of parrots, different colors of birds and different varieties of birds. So you can